Indian students dreaming of studying in the US. Listen up. Some major changes could be coming your way as Trump returns to power. From tougher H-1B visa rules to stricter student visa scrutiny. What does this mean for you? Stay with me as we break it all down and help you strategize your way forward to conquer your study abroad dreams in the US. Firstly, let's talk about the H-1B visa reforms.
The biggest impact, Indian applicants face a bottleneck due to country cap. Trump's proposal also aims to prioritize higher wages. Unfair registrations might drop by 38%, but fewer spots mean tougher competition. Now, let's talk about green card delays.
Indian professionals already face decades-long waits due to per country cap. Trump's proposal to favor US graduates might help some Indian students. It could also limit opportunities for others already in the green card queue. Birthright citizenship policy shift. If Trump ends automatic citizenship to the children born to immigrants, it could add long-term uncertainty for a lot of families. Now, let's talk about the major thing, F1 visa challenges.
STEM and AI students face more scrutiny. Trump wants to limit potential job competition. Expect stricter vetting at the visa interviews and longer processing times. OPT and STEM extensions are at risk. Trump may roll back OPT and STEM OPT, affecting many students. If the program duration shrinks, the job placements are going to become much harder. Now, let's talk about H-1B visa and American hiring.
Trump's America First hiring policy might push companies to favor the US citizens over other visa holders. Tech sectors will be hugely impacted, especially AI, data science, and cloud computing. Now, let's talk about how higher salaries will give you higher chances for your stay in the US.
Since Trump wants to prioritize high-wage workers, those with elite skills and premium pay packages will have an advantage. US masters and PhD students will have an advantage over other offshore applicants. How to navigate the changing landscape?
Focus on high-demand tech fields. Choose universities with strong industry partnerships for better job placements. Start your visa and H-1B planning early. Consult immigration experts. And why not consider backup options? Countries like Germany, UK, Ireland, Sweden, Netherlands, even Australia, they offer such strong alternatives. Now, what should be your takeaway?
So, the US dream isn't dead, it's just changing.
Be strategic, be prepared, be adaptable.
Stay informed and stay ahead of the curve.
If you are aiming for the US, you need a game plan.
Drop your questions in the comment section and let us discuss.
Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates.